Stop. If you're thinking about buying WebinarJack AI, there's something you need to know first. WebinarJack AI is world's first AI engine that turns any sales page into a complete auto webinar, script, slides, voiceover and hosting, all in under 60 seconds. No camera, no script writing, no editing, no hosting, no coding. You paste a sales page URL and the AI instantly builds a persuasive webinar, complete with slides, script and natural voiceover, hosted on its own branded page, ready to run 24/7. So here's the big question, is WebinarJack AI really the future of affiliate selling or just another hype launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what WebinarJack AI is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab WebinarJack AI through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is WebinarJack AI? It's a complete auto webinar builder that creates evergreen webinars from any sales page. AI reads the offer and builds the script, AI designs the slides, AI records the voiceover in natural tones, AI hosts the webinar on a branded page, runs 24/7 on autopilot and commercial license included. Benefits, why people are interested. Paste a URL, instantly get a webinar from any sales page. No camera, AI voices the script for you. Evergreen automation, webinars run 24/7 without you showing up. High ticket commissions, structured to sell bigger offers. Commercial license, build webinars for clients and keep 100% profit. Inside, WebinarJack AI you're getting URL to webinar engine, AI scriptwriter plus slide builder, AI voiceover generator, hosted webinar pages, offer and buy button integration, analytics dashboard, views, clicks, conversions, unlimited webinar creation, commercial license included and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros: complete webinar system, not just templates, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited webinars, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers. Cons: no guaranteed income, results depend on your offer and traffic. Results: what to expect. Expect faster launches, more consistent conversions and multiple income streams. Affiliates: promote high-ticket offers with webinars instead of bare links. Agencies: sell webinar creation as a service. Coaches: run evergreen webinars for courses and programs. WebinarJack AI turns cold traffic into warm buyers pre-sold by a webinar before they ever see the sales page. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab WebinarJack AI through the link below. Bonus 1 DFY Webinar Blueprint, value $299, step-by-step roadmap to launch your first profitable webinar in 30 days. Bonus 2 Affiliate Commission Vault, value $300, 500 plus proven webinar scripts and templates to maximize conversions. Total bonus value $599, yours free when you get WebinarJack AI through my link today. So, is WebinarJack AI worth it? If you want to stop spamming bare links and start building evergreen webinars that sell for you 24/7, then yes, WebinarJack AI is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure WebinarJack AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.